Hello and welcome. In this video I've got a quick unboxing and installation of the Elgato pop filter for the Wave Link 3. I'll also do a quick audio test at the end of it just to see what the differences are with the filter attached and with it not. That said, let's just get straight to the unboxing. On the front we've got an image of the filter, some branding on the side, nothing on the top, bit on the side, some more details on the back, and some markings for certifications and recycling on the bottom. Let's just open this flap. It's a bit of an awkward one, this. And take this tray out. Nothing else in box, get rid of that. We have a quick start guide which just shows you how to attach it to the microphone. And it is the pop filter. Just take it out of the bag. And there we go. Mesh filter. And then two clips to attach it to the microphone. So that's it for the unboxing. Let's move on to the installation. Okay, so I've got the microphone, and all you do is just attach it to each of those spaces between the microphone stand using the two clips on the pop filter. And it just locks into place. That's all there is to it. Now let's just move on to a quick audio check. So I'm going to do two recordings. The first one is without the pop filter attached, and the second is with the pop filter attached. You can judge for yourself if there's any difference. This is a test of the Elgato Wave Link 3 microphone with no pop filter installed. This is a test of the Elgato Wave Link 3 microphone with the pop filter installed. So what do you think? Does it make a difference? I kind of think it does a little bit, but I guess time will tell. But for now, I'll just keep it attached and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.